Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Hisense Roku TV is updated and your console or PC is connected via HDMI. Once done, power the TV and press home on the Roku remote to open the main menu. Make sure the input with your game device is active so options relevant to HDMI appear. If you see a prompt to update the system, allow it now. Updates can add auto low latency features you'll use shortly. Now navigate to Settings to begin enabling game mode. You next locate the picture or display settings. Models vary, so go to Settings, then TV Picture Settings or Display Type. Once there, select Game Mode and toggle it on to reduce image processing and input lag. If your TV supports auto low latency mode ALM, enable it so compatible consoles switch the TV automatically. Make sure your HDMI input is set to the port with the console. If you don't see exact labels, choose low latency or a performance display preset instead. Finish by launching a game and checking responsiveness. You should notice less input delay and smoother control. If available, enable ALM on your console, for example, Xbox or PlayStation settings, to auto-switch the TV into game mode. Make sure resolution and refresh rate match the game's needs. If something goes wrong, try a different HDMI cable or port, reboot both devices, and confirm the TV firmware is current. Those steps solve most issues and ensure game mode remains active when you...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.